fidget vending machine, except my mom places an order. So, Mom, do you want to place an order on my fidget vending machine?
I thought you would never ask.
So, Mom, do you want card, cash, or coins?
Coins, please.
Okay. Okay, do you want a color or a theme?
I think I want a theme. Rainbow, please.
Okay. And lastly, how many fidgets would you like?
I'm gonna go big. 4, please.
Good call. You can never have too many fidgets. Let's see what you got. You got this rainbow slug, this rainbow hedgehog dimple, these rainbow art balls, and lastly, this rainbow poppet. So, Mom, do you love your order?
Oh yes, I love it.
Who should I ask next? Bye, guys!